What's up, guys? It's Tenocho here. So right now I am about to go over to Jake's house because I left my pillow there, and then after I go to Jake's I'm gonna skate a little bit because, as you know, I'm going camping today. It's only gonna be for one day though, so I'll be back tomorrow, but I'm going camping, so I'm going over to Jake's to get my pillow, then I'll come back and skate. Alright guys, so it's the next day. We got here yesterday, but it was basically dark because it took a really long time to get here, because we went to a bunch of different places and like circled around a lot, but we finally got here. Now we're going up to Table Rock and we're gonna go hike that. So let's go hike. Oh, and that noise over there, that's the really annoying trucks that kept us up all night. Alright guys, so obviously we're not at Table Rock. We are swimming in the Willamette River, I think. And that's because there's no dogs allowed at Table Rock and we have my dog. But we're just gonna hang out here. So yeah, let's just have fun at the river before we go home. Alright, I'm gonna dunk for YouTube. Oh! It's so cold. It's cold. It's really cold. No. It's really cold. You have no idea how cold this is. It's like super cold. Like, take the coldest thing you can think of and multiply it by, I think, 29. My dog Charlie hates water. Oh, isn't that right, Charles? You hate water. It's okay. Here, put her under. Here, put her in the water. Alright guys, so that was me camping, and that was really fun, I gotta say. I have a lot of stuff to catch up on, like editing and all that crap. So I also have to go take a shower. So yeah, I have a bunch of stuff to do. So peace out, guys.